Hey, good morning. It's Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes. It's early in the morning. I'm going to get some brisket on my little tailgater, sparing you the bed hair. So we'll get cleaned up later. But for right now, we are going to get this brisket into my little tailgater. We're running at 225 degrees. I got my brisket over here. We'll get in on it here in a second. Anyway, it's only a little, it was a 9.5 pound brisket, and after trimming all the fat and everything, I think now it's about 8 pounds. Even those little briskets have a lot of fat on them. So we got it all trimmed up, seasoned up, and getting ready to throw into the little tailgater. Okay, so here I have this 9-pound brisket. Like I said, it's been trimmed up. It's down to probably about 8 pounds. I'm using some competition blend today. And this little tailgater, you know, I mean, that thing only holds 5 pounds of pellets, but it really is fuel efficient. That 5 pounds will go at least 5 or 6 hours. This little brisket, assuming it probably take about 6-7 hours. And I have, like you, I already showed, but I put some garlic pepper, big surprise, salt, and red chili powder, both sides, and that's all we're doing today. So let's get this thing on the smoker and let it get rolling. All right, look at that little thing smoke. I wanted to mention too, this brisket, let me get this up here. This brisket on the one end, boy, it's down to about 1/2 inch. It is really thin. So what I'm gonna do when I put it on the grate, I'm gonna squish it all up really good, nice and tight. And hopefully that part won't cook too fast. Woo-wee, look at that. All right, let's get this baby on here. We are putting the fat side down. We're putting the point towards the heat source. All right, let me show you that. Okay, there it is in the Pit Boss Tailgater. I did squish up the end a little bit. Hopefully we can save that from cooking too fast. I actually did put a cut in here, so I'll know where to, how to cut it once it's done. We're gonna squish that up. And that's it, we'll see in a while. I didn't put a probe in that brisket yet. My brother-in-law did a big smoke last weekend, and he didn't have a temperature probe to stick in all the different meats that he was doing, chicken and pork and brisket and beef ribs. And anyway, he needed to borrow my thermo probe. So hey, let's roll over there and get it from him. Take this little toy to go get our temp probes. Let's roll. We are back home. I've got my probes in right there. I'm gonna make sure that that little flat doesn't get too overcooked, and we'll let it go. Okay, wait till we get to about 160, 165, and we'll wrap it up. Okay, we are 2.5 hours in. Looking good. Point is about 7 degrees cooler than this flat over here, so just let it keep rocking for the 3-hour mark. Yep, that is looking good. sweat going on. We are at 136 internal. Got a little ways to go. Let's check our pellets. Oh yeah, this thing is so efficient. Look at that. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we are just about 4.5 hours in. Look at that. That is looking beautiful. We're gonna get this wrapped up. We got 160 internal temperature right now. 60, 145 on this little end down here. I'm gonna let that go ahead and get wrapped at that. I'm not sure how accurate we are in here. Maybe it's how it was thinner. We're gonna get these wrapped up here in about 15 minutes. Forgot to look in here. Look at that. Pellets are still rolling really good. That is 4.5 hours. Might have used a little over half. When I get these wrapped up, I may add a little more because they're gonna be in there for a few more hours. All right, we'll be back as soon as we take that off. Okay, we are about a little over 4.5 hours in, and let me get some gloves on here. We'll pull that off. We'll get it in the foil. Wrap it in the foil. We're going to add some beef bouillon. I like using the Better Than Bouillon. It's really good, very flavorful. It's actually better than bouillon. If I can get these gloves on. Now we're doing the double layer on the glove. Got the cotton glove and then the latex glove. That's so we can pick up that brisket without burning ourselves. All right, let's get this puppy off. There's the tailgater. Oh yeah, man. Get that brisket off of there. Look at that. That is looking good. Bring it over here. Okay. All right, so I've got my beef broth, Better Than Bouillon. Stuff is good. This is all I'm going to add. We want just the beef flavor. We don't want to take too much of the flavor away from the brisket. Add this in there. I'm going to add this whole cup, 1 cup. Okay, just like that. And we're going to get this guy wrapped up. And we are going to do a double wrap. Once you wrap it that way, let's see, let me turn my foil. Like that. Sorry about that. And we're going to wrap it up. Scoop that over just a little bit. Get that up nice and tight. Under, hold up the ends, and we're going to put this back on the smoker, back on the Pit Boss Tailgater. We're still rolling at 225. Stick this right in here, out in the middle. I'll go ahead and stick this one over here in the point. We're going to let this ride. Just got them in. They're still rolling really good. 25. And I did top off the hopper just because we're going to probably go another 3 or 4 hours. 60, 163 in there. All right, let's just let it ride. Okay, we are 7.5 hours. We got an internal temp of 203. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to wrap it in my towel, and I'm going to put it in the ice chest for about an hour. And we'll be ready to serve it. Okay, glove on. probes out. That off. Now, a little baby package. Let's wrap this little baby up in a towel. So that way, going over the top, stick it in the ice chest. Let it cool, slice into it. That's how easy this is. And there it is. Just put the lid on it and let it rest for an hour. Nobody wants to be on video. They're all hiding. Just want to say that. Woo! That is hot. All right, it's Christmas time. Time to open up the Christmas present. Woo! Look at that. Man, I'm not going to be able to touch that. Have a knife. A good knife. Yeah. How's that look? Good.
Amazing.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Andy?
What's up?
Perfect timing.
We saw you.
Well, not perfect timing.
I know.
We were just giving up on you.
Look at that.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful.
That is awesome.
All right, bring it up.
Bring it up.
All right. Aziz. Look at that. Mm. Okay, if you've made it this far with me, I want to do a shout out to Craig over at Behind the Garage Barbecue. I thought he had a great idea when he applies stickers to his beer fridge or his refrigerator in his garage. And so I decided I'm going to start doing that as well. And I had Craig send me one of his stickers, Behind the Garage Barbecue. We're going to go apply it to my refrigerator, my beer fridge. And I've also had stickers made for ManKitchenRecipes. If you want one, my email is in the About page. You can shoot me an email. If you want to trade stickers, send me yours, I'll send you mine. Either way, vice versa. We're going to start that tradition as a fun little thing to do with us in the barbecue community. Or if you just need to reach me, my email's in there. Send me stuff. You want me to send you stuff, just let me know. Okay, so here's my beer fridge. Got a few taps going there, so I cleaned off this top part just for our new sticker place. Here's some of my bottle caps of the beer I haven't made any in a while. All right, so let's get Behind the Garage put there on. You have it. And there's Behind the Garage Barbecue sticker and mine. There's all the space I got so far. So if you want to send me a sticker, I'll send you one back. Or if you just want a sticker, like I said, just go to my About page, shoot me an email, and we'll get you hooked up. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.